I think that there's a lot of stigma around automation. It's very beneficial, and there are companies that utilize it. Obviously, it's been around for many years. However, I think people are worried about replacing people. That's a main thing. And also the barrier to entry. It's expensive. It's not something you can go buy off the shelf, so you have to get a custom solution. And so there's a lot of, I think, nervousness or trepidation maybe that companies might have about bringing that into their company, the whole ordeal of creating something specific, and especially as a custom injection molder, we're running different things in our presses every day. So having something like Formic that's able to modify, and we can use it to suit all sorts of different projects, makes it, a great solution for our company.